Again, there are no confirmed cases of the virus so far in Hawaii. Still, that has not stopped people from stocking up on masks. But do those masks really protect you? Sarah Madison asked an expert.
One doctor tells us these masks are 50 to 60% effective, but at certain stores, they're 100% sold out.
If you're looking to buy a mask, especially the coveted N95, you may be hard-pressed to find one. Shoppers are finding empty shelves at some of the drugstores and City Mill.
Customers have been coming in asking for the N95 mask, which is what I'm assuming that they're needing for the coronavirus. Hoping by next week sometime we'll have more stock coming in, but it really depends on our distributor who we were told was completely out.
But just how effective are masks?
There haven't been a lot of studies done on the masks, okay? There's a lot of factors involved in the use of the mask.
Dr. Robert Ruggieri says masks prevent you from touching your face, which is one of the quickest ways to get sick. But it's only 50 to 60, maybe 70% effective at best.
It's not a secure fit. There's ways for air particles containing viruses to sneak in under the mask and through the mask as well. The mask is not impermeable to viruses. They're very small.
That's why people prefer to get the N95 mask.
So they're more commonly used in hospitals and other medical situations, but not for the general public.
Dr. Ruggieri says if you have a mask, use it. A mask may offer some resistance.
If a family member is sick, try to isolate them as best you can and have them cover their mouth and nose, and when they cough or sneeze, wash your hands a lot, and that'll do just as good as a mask.
People may be buying up these masks as a precaution or because they may be traveling soon. But state officials want to remind us that there are no confirmed cases of the virus here in the state. Sarah Madison, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.